Hi everyone.
Hello guys, here is another 2013 Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG collectible tin. This time it is of Tidal, Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. This tin includes, according to the sticker here, 5 booster packs, plus 5 foil cards, including Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear, and of course, Tidal, Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. Now I got a old 2013 tin a little while back, so I know that I'm going to get another Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear, but the other 4 cards are going to be brand new to me, plus 5 extra packs. The booster packs are going to be the same as last time as well, which are 1 Hidden Arsenal, plus 2 Abyss Rising, and 2 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. Alright. Here's just a little pamphlet for advertisements and such. Get rid of that. Ooh, this, check this out. So this plastic here has been damaged. I don't know how that happened. There's the old tin, completely hollow now. Put it right here. Let's get to the promo cards next. I mean, first, after the tin, that is. Okay, so first promo card of the 5 is something that I already have, and that's Brotherhood of the Fire Fist Bear. So, another one of these. My first duplicate, but it's okay. Put that right here. Then I'm going to start from the top this time, because the next card is of this tin. A secret rare Tidal, Dragon Ruler of Waterfalls. I actually like this art. I like how the character blends in with the glacier walls. Very cool. I'll put him right over here. Oh, look at this next card. A classic. Is Black Luster Soldier, Envoy of the Beginning. Very cool. I think there's also a Envoy of the End as well, or something like that. Next promo card is Alley of Justice Cataster. What kind of a monster is that? He resembles like that relinquished monster with the eyeball coming out of his head there, as well as the 1,000 eyes to be stripped. And lastly, of the promo cards, is a Super Dreadnought Rail Cannon Gustav Max. It's a weird monster with a very large cannon. It has 3,000 attack and 3,000 defense. Right, there's that. There are the boosters. Got 2 Lord of the Tachyon Galaxies, 2 Abyss Rising, and I got Hidden Arsenal number 6. The other 10, I got Hidden Arsenal number 7. Let's see, I'll do it like that. This is the only booster of the bunch as well that is in first edition. The other 4 are not. And you should give me 5 holofoils. Right. That pack is garbage. I think there's a secret rare in the front, so I'm going to do it like this. Alright, first is a super rare Aqua Mirror Illusion. Next card is another super rare Gishki Noelia. Another super rare Labal Kotal. Ugh! I wouldn't want to have him as a pet! Oh my god! What is that thing? Like, looks like a cross between like a pterodactyl and Cheetos. I mean, look at its arms and its neck. Looks like Cheetos Puffs. Let's just move on. Another super rare. Vylon Prism. Alright, and then the last card is a secret rare. Digusto Phoenix. Or maybe it's Digusto Phoenix. Alright, nice. I'll actually put this stuff down here. Alright, so I got 10 foils already, even though those foils were already kind of predetermined for me. The foils that I'm looking for are the ones that appear randomly in these packs. Alright, this ride. Right, we got a Snow Dragon, Abyss Scale of the Kraken, Heroic Advance, Mecha Sea Dragon Plusian, and the red card is Spellbook Star Hall. Alright. I'll put that up here. Heroic Gift, Gravity Blaster, Grand Ram, that's a blocky ram, and XYZ Extreme. Okay, next, Abyss Rising Booster. Mermail Abyss Hield, House Dustin, Magic Deflector, Heroic Challenger Extra Sword, and the rare is a Advanced Heraldry Art. Ooh, and a super rare, very nice, Memory of an Adversary trap card. Alright. That's what I'm talking about. Cool. Put it over here. Hermit of Prophecy. Cashback. And Heraldic Beast Burner's Falcon. Alright, Abyss Rising's all done. I'll put the commons off the counter, because I might get another foil. Now we're moving on to Lord of the Tachyon Galaxy. There is a Mermail Abyssosia, Fire Formation YuGiOh. Give me 1 second as I get my commons reset here. Okay, there we go. Fire Formation YuGiOh, a Little Fairy, Risebell the Star Adjuster. The rare card is Altitude Knight. Put him up here. And another super rare. Very cool. Fire Formation YuGiOh. It shows like a whole bunch of spiritual beasts coming out. There's like 2 wolves on the left. Maybe something else on the right. Very, very nice. Right over here. High Tide on Fire Island. Green Dustin. And Battling Boxer Headgeared. Alright, final pack. I got 2 super rares so far. Let's see what other cards await me. Okay. Last pack has Jewels of the Valiant, Bachi Bachi Bachi, Five Brothers Explosion, Dote Dotengu, and the rare card is Harpy's Pet Phantasmal Dragon, Ooh! I got an ultra rare, ultimate rare. A Harpy Channeler. Or Channeler. I should remember that word. I played the original Pokemon a lot. I ran into a lot of Channelers in the Pokemon Tower. Yep, Harpy Channeler. Look at that. Ultimate rare. The border is also has a little bit of foil. There's this type of gloss in the artwork as well. Waterfall, very very nice. Harpy Channeler, cool. Put it right up here. All right, Lightning Dragon, ruler of drafts. Looks pretty drafty in there, little dragon. Sonic Warrior, and last common, Panther Shark. All right. So I got 3 bonus foils, unexpectedly. Pulled Super Rare, Memory of an Adversary. Then I pulled another Super Rare, Fire Formation, YuGiOh. And of course, the Ultimate Rare, one of my first in a while, Harpy Channeler. That's gonna do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you later. Take care.